Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your conversations in Snapchat. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to your Snapchat. After that, click on your profile. After that, to settings and scroll down to the privacy part, where you can see the clear conversation option. Click on that, and here will appear all your conversations. I do not have only this one, the team Snapchat. So but if you click on this cross, it will show that, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? And if this will clear the conversation from your feed, it will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. And if you want that clear, and that's all. I hope that it was helpful for you. Bye bye.